Welcome back to my new video. Today I want to show you a simple formula that you can use to fix any phone. My dear technician, this method works both button, Android, any phone at all. One of my technicians brought this phone to me and told me that this phone is not booting. My dear technician, the first thing, I put battery and try turning on the phone to see if it will boot. My dear technician, it is important for you to check for physical damage. Check it very well before you start working on the phone. I tried turning on the phone. You can see nothing comes up. It does not work. Change it out. It's not turning on. First thing, I unclip the screen connector. The next thing is for me to use my DC power supply. Check this out. I want to test the PCB right now. My dear technician, if you have any question about anything, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. First thing, I connect the positive to the VBAT and I connect the negative to the ground. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see, without even turning the phone, you can see that the phone PCB is consuming battery, meaning that something is short, and if this phone managed to work, it's going to consume battery. Check this out. I tried turning on the phone. You can see the trigger voltage. You can see the boot voltage. The boot voltage is reading perfectly, meaning that the phone is working, but it's not turning on. My dear technician, have to check it very well. There was a day I told you guys that after checking in your DC power supply, you need to do a proper testing. Do not be satisfied with what your DC power supply gives you. Always check using your multimeter or checking for physical damage to confirm if there's anything that is stopping the phone not to boot. For me to solve this issue, I need to first of all remove the heatsink. Check this out. I need to first of all remove the shell. So take your time to do this. Do not rush, take your time to do this. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question at all. Check this out. Make sure that you apply paste. First thing, apply paste. It's important. The next thing is for you to turn on your workstation. Set the temperature and you're good to go. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. If you have scraper knife, good. Use it to carry off the heatsink. Very simple. Be very careful during the process so that you not spoil anything. Check the way I'm doing my own. Very simple. I'll remove the heatsink without spoiling anything. Very simple and easy. If you have any question, feel free. Tell me something in the comment section. I'll check your question. I'll check your comment so that when I'm doing a new video, I'll do what you guys said. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm done. Very simple. Check this out. Okay, so the next thing is for me to check for physical damage. It's important. I need to check for physical damage. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I zoom for you guys to follow and check if there's any physical damage. If you check the power IC, the capacitors that are around the power IC, you can see the positive side are black meaning that something happens, there's something that is disturbing, or there's something that happened before that actually caused, maybe there was water damage, I don't know, but I think so. There was water damage or something else. My technician to solve this issue is very, very simple. Okay, I'll use my multimeter and test the capacitor to be sure if it is short or not short, or if there's anything. So first of all, set it to diode mode and then confirm. The next thing is for me to test it. Check this out. You can see that it is short. Check this out, it is short. At the technician, both the two capacitors are short. Check this out, both the two capacitors are short. At the technician, do not conclude that it is from the capacitor itself. The problem is from the IC because the capacitors are connected to the power IC directly. So I'm going to put paste and hit the power IC and then shake it a little bit to see if it will work. If not working, then I will change the power IC. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, feel free, let me know in the comment section if you have any question concerning this. My dear technician, before then, let me remove this heatsink to confirm if there is any physical damage inside. I want to be sure that everything is okay before I hit the power IC. There are sometimes components on this side get issues, so it's important for you to check and be sure. It's important. My dear technician, please and please and please, if you do not know how to remove the shell, please use a scrap phone. I mean a PCB that is no more working. Try time with that number to see if you'll be able to remove it perfectly before you try on a working phone. Please, I'm begging you so that you will not spoil the phone. Please, take your time and do this. Do not rush. Take your time and do this. If you have any question concerning this, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question concerning this. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done. Make sure you carry it a little bit. The next thing is for you to use your tweezers. Check this out and drag it up gently. Do not rush. Please drag it up gently. Do not rush. Check this out. I'll be done. My dear technician, I will be done. Check this out. I'm done. Check this out, my dear technician. First thing, I check for physical damage. Check this out, my dear technician. I check for physical damage. I use my brush and clean it very well. All these heatsink that I remove, I will put them back perfectly. So if you don't know how to remove and put them back, try and learn it. Please, my dear technician, check this out. My dear technician. The next thing is for me to check for physical damage. It is important. Check this out. You can see that we also have black on these capacitors. I showed you guys before around the power IC. Now we also have it here, meaning that something is wrong. My dear technician, so let me use my multimeter and test the capacitors to see if it is also shorting. Check this out, my dear technician. I test the first one. You can see it's not shorting. I test this one. Check this out, my dear technician. This one is shorting. You can see the one that have black coded something on top of it is shorting. You can see. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see that it's shorting. My dear technician, and this capacitor is connected to the power IC. The only way is to do exactly what I said. First thing, let me apply paste to the power IC. Check this out, my dear technician. First of all, apply paste. The next thing is for me to heat the power IC. Heat it very well. Make sure you set the normal temperature. If not, you're going to burn the IC. Set the normal temperature. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. The next thing is for me to shake the IC. You can see. Shake a little bit. And you're done. Let me see if it's going to work. If not working, I will change the IC completely. My dear technician, you don't need to remove the capacitors. You can see that this capacitor is connected straight to the power IC. Check this out, my dear technician. Now let me use my multimeter to read and see if it is still shorting or not shorting. Check this out, my dear technician. Let me read. Now you can see it's no more shorting. It's no more shorting. You can see it's no more shorting. I turn to read, you can see the resistance is no more shorting. It's 100% done. Now the technician, there are sometimes this issue is caused under the IC. I think this phone fall inside water before. Now let me read this side to also confirm if it is still shorting or not. Check this out, set it to diode mode. Check this out, my dear technician, it's no more shorting. Check this out, it's no more shorting. It's 100% working. Simple and easy. You don't need to remove capacitors. Check this out, my dear technician. The next thing is for me to connect it to the DC power supply and see if the phone is still consuming battery in the background or not. Check, you can see now we have 000, meaning that the phone will never consume battery. The phone will never consume battery again. You can see there's voltage in the cable. Check this out. It's 100% working, my dear technician. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question concerning this, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.